Alrighty, welcome to Geo Logos, and what we're going to be looking at here is your Geo Logos project, and here are the directions found in our EDU page of the lessons. You can read all about it, of what you're supposed to do, and you can sign up on the wiki, etc. So let's go ahead and say you have decided on a design and you do a Google search, and your Google search comes up with Mercedes. I tried this one first right here and it exceeded the limit, gave me 10 megabyte. And I think the one that I eventually found was this one right here. So I happened to, on mine, I right click and I want to save that image as. And I'll just call this one M6 for Mercedes 6 and it's a JPG and I'll say save. Then I will go to my software here and I'll start a new document. So I will do new document, and we'll make it a geometry page. Now the geometry page, I want to insert that image, so I go to insert, and I will do an image down here, and that image is going to be M6, I believe we called it, and go ahead and open. Hey, and there it is. How cool is that? Well, we want to put that on the top of a grid, and so I'll do Control add a page and graphs, and on top of this graph here I wish to put that image, so insert that image, and maybe I didn't get it, insert that image, and we want M6 I believe it was, so there it is, and now I have that image right there. Now I want to make some equations on top of this. So let's start with the circles. So I use my menu tool and number 9 shapes and 1 circles. Start from the center and go out to the inside one, click. Do that again, start from the center and go to the outside of the circle, about there, and go click. Now I have those 2 circles. I can hit the escape key and now find the equation of the inner circle by hitting right click. And that right click is coordinates and equations. It has about a 5.43 radius. Do this outside one, right click on the outside circle. Find coordinates and equations. Hey, a little bit bigger radius, that's what we expected, that's pretty cool. To find the equations, some of these lines here, what I'll need to do is use the line tool and not the segment tool. So menu, I'm not sure what's happening, maybe hit escape, sure, menu, and then do my 7, number 4 for a line, and I guess I'll go from this point right here, I'll put it on the circle, click, and to that little intersection right in there, give or take. There's one line, that's good, and do another one from here to perhaps there, and maybe from there out to that intersection point on the circle. So now I have those 3. I can hit escape, and now I want to right click on this one, coordinates and equations. And there's that equation. Looks like it has a slope of 0.3 and a y-intercept of -1. I can right click on this line. Hopefully I got the correct one. Seems a little bit slow here, not sure what's happening. There it is. Hey, yep, different slope and a different y-intercept. And I'll do this last one out here on that line. See, it tells me the line, and if I wanted to tab, it would go line or circle, but I want the line, so go ahead and find the coordinates and equations, and I can bump that over. Yep, negative slope, just what I expected. Y-intercept of -1, pretty cool on that. So that's working out pretty well. And I would like to be able to have this page without the image, and I have not found out how to delete the image yet, so we'll see if that's possible. But I do want to add a notes page, so I'll go Control and add a page, and that'll be my notes page. And here's where you're going to put in your notes. The Mercedes symbol is made up of, and then you could say of a circle and 3 lines. That's the basic idea. You can add some more information there describing your logo of what you've got. And I need to save this document, so I can go to Doc and File and Save As. And the way we're supposed to do this is GL space period, whatever your period is, period 1. And then your name, and let's go ahead and see how we have that. So I go back to the page, and notice right here it says Charger Charlie, so your last name first. And so I'll do that. And so my last name is Charger, and my first name is Charlie. So now I have GL period 1, and I can alphabetize it. That helps me out when you give this to me. I hit save. It was unsaved, and now there's the name of it up there. And if there's any other things to be added to this document, we can do that. And thank you very much for listening.